We will study oxidation number. What's meant by oxidation number? Oxidation number is replaced the valency of elements, because oxidation number of positive or negative charge which the element carry in compound. It is more actual to explain what happened during a chemical reaction, lose or gain, how we can calculate the oxidation number of any element in compound. We have some rules. Firstly, we will get famous elements as oxygen. Oxygen, its oxidation number in normal oxide equal -2. Except we have some exceptions. We must take care of it. Pure oxide, oxygen, its oxidation number equal -1. Potassium superoxide, -half. Fe2O, +2. And it is only case where oxygen have positive oxidation number, because fluorine is greater than oxygen in electronegativity. Number 2, from the rules, hydrogen. Hydrogen, its oxidation number equal +1, except case of hydrides, NaH, KH equal -1. We can calculate the oxidation number for the rest elements in two forms. In oxide, in case of oxide have high electronegativity, so it will take negative value, and all elements agree the number of group. Group 1A as sodium or potassium, +1, magnesium, +2, aluminium, +3. Now group 4A, +4, +5, +6, +7. So the oxidation number increase gradually. In form of oxides, agree the number of group. If the element in group 1A, its oxidation number +1. Group 2A, +2. Group 3A, +3. And in case of hydrides, we have two probabilities. The first, from group 1A to group 4A, the oxidation number will increase gradually, takes +1, +2, +3, +4, or -4 according to the value of electronegativity. Then -3, -2, -1. Then we have some total rules. Oxidation number of element equals 0. In case of He2, oxidation number equals 0. O2 equals 0 because they have the same effect of electrons. Number 2, if we have a compound, summation of the oxidation number KMnO4, summation equal 0 for all compounds. Any compound, summation of oxidation number equal 0. But if we have atomic group NO3 negative, the oxidation number will equal -1. SO4 -2, SO4 equal -2. How we can calculate the oxidation number for any element? If we have compound as KMnO4 and they ask me to calculate the oxidation number of manganese, Mn. First rule, this is a compound, summation equals 0. K in form of oxides. In group 1A, its oxidation number equal +1. Mn unknown plus 4 oxygen. Oxygen in normal case equal -2 times -2 equal 0. Mathematically, +1 plus Mn -8 equal 0. Summation positive 1 and negative 8, negative 7 transfer to another side, Mn equal positive 7. This is the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4, manganese dioxide. If we have another example, H2SO4, and ask me to calculate the oxidation number of sulfur. This is a compound. The summation equals 0. H2, 2 times positive 1, S unknown, plus 4 times negative 2 equal 0. Positive 2, S negative 8 equal 0. Positive 2, negative 8, negative 6 transfer to another side, S equal positive 6. This is the way of calculating oxidation number. We can use oxidation number in two processes, oxidation and reduction process. What's meant by oxidation and reduction? Oxidation and reduction, two chemical processes takes place at the same time, where one element lose, it called oxidation process. Fe react with Cl2, produce FeCl3. If we want to balance the equation, 3, 2, 2. Firstly, we can calculate the oxidation number before and after to determine oxidation and reduction. Fe element, its oxidation number equals 0. No lose, no gain. Cl2 element, its oxidation number equal 0. After reaction, iron becomes iron 3 chloride and its oxidation number equal positive 3. What is the change happened for iron? Iron change from 0 to positive 3 means lose 3 electrons. It means oxidation. Oxidation is a chemical process accompanied by losing 1 electron or more and increase number of positive charge. What happened for chlorine? Chlorine 0. It becomes negative 1. I know one ask, we have 3 chlorine. No, we calculate for 1 atom only. It changed from 0 to negative 1. It means gain 1 electron. It means reduction process. Oxidation process accompanied by losing 1 electron or more. Reduction process gain 1 electron or more during chemical reaction. The element which happened for its oxidation, it considered as reducing agent. It is the opposite of process. Reduction. The element who happened for it reduction, it called oxidizing agent. This is a question and very important, and its calculation is very easy to know. We calculate the oxidation number for each element before the reaction and after the reaction to show what happened for it, lose or gain. Iron 0 becomes positive 3. It means lose 3 electrons. This is oxidation process. Chlorine 0 change into negative 1. Reduction process due to gain 1 electron during the chemical reaction. Thank you very much.